Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin now by choosing which Canadian variety to learn, English, French, or both, and committing short, focused sessions. Start with 20-30-minute daily practice and 500 high-frequency words plus 50 phrases. This builds fast recognition. Use Canadian news clips and regional podcasts to hear authentic pronunciation. Once done, practice shadowing. Repeat aloud immediately after the speaker. This trains rhythm and intonation, and it makes your brain map words to sounds quickly. Now deepen your skills by alternating grammar blocks and speaking. Spend 2 weeks on core grammar points, then test with short written and spoken exercises. Make sure to use tutors or exchange partners for real conversation. Apps help, but live feedback corrects pronunciation and usage. Focus on regional vocabulary, Canadian idioms, vowel shifts, and informal phrases so you don't sound textbook. Once comfortable, record yourself. Compare to native samples and adjust targets for improvement. Finish by consolidating skills into longer mixed sessions, 1 hour combining listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Use practical tasks. Order food, make a phone call, or summarize news aloud and time yourself for fluency. Measure progress with Sephir checks or self-assess tasks, then adjust study focus. If things go wrong, isolate the weakest skill, pronunciation, grammar, comprehension, and use targeted drills plus a tutor review. Keep consistent. Small daily corrections prevent plateaus and speed recovery.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.